Political dispensation for Zimbabwe, or is it? Parliament's debate comes in a week where two journalists were arrested and charged for a story which police say will cause disaffection within the military. The story claimed the Movement for Democratic Change is courting pro-ZANU army generals to negotiate a peaceful transition after elections, a charge the generals have denied. And no one is immune from the crackdown. An MDC youth leader is behind bars for an alleged slur against the president. Ordinary Zimbabweans are increasingly finding themselves on the wrong side of the law for simply venting their frustrations, punished for saying that President Mugabe has ruined the economy or that he's too old. Many of these people were arrested after being overheard in public places like bars and in football matches and reported to the police by other members of the public. A rights group says since 2010 it's handled 60 cases of people charged under the same offence.
But the more that these kinds of cases arise and are used as an example, the more that people will fear being able to speak their minds freely about what is happening.
The new constitution is supposed to end years of repression, but analysts say the situation is not likely to improve ahead of elections and that reporters will continue to face jail or harsh penalties in their work.
It's a question of the sitting government continuing to act with impunity against freedom of expression, citing clauses which are in section 86 of the new draft constitution that limit it in the interest of what they call national security, public health, safety, which is the same situation with the outgoing constitution.
President Mugabe's party is pushing for the draft to be passed as soon as possible so elections can be held before June the 29th. Shingai Nyoka, SABC News, Harare, Zimbabwe.